Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are counting down the top 5 video doorbells that will totally blow your mind. But trust me, number 3 is something you have never seen before. If you are looking to level up your home security, then you will not want to miss this. These range from game changers to surprisingly affordable gems with unbelievable features. Links are in the description and pinned comment below. Let's jump in, this is going to get exciting.
Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Lockley Vision Elite. This represents a comprehensive smart home security solution that combines multiple devices into one innovative package. This smart lock integrates a fingerprint reader, keypad, doorbell camera, and solar panel into a single deadbolt unit, offering homeowners unprecedented convenience and security. The device features a built-in high-definition video camera with night vision for live monitoring and recording, while its 3-dimensional biometric fingerprint sensor and peek-proof PIN Genie keypad provide advanced access control for up to 99 fingerprints. The built-in solar panel ensures continuous power during extended use periods. However, some users report issues with spare key accessibility due to solar panel placement and limited manual locking options. This product targets tech-savvy homeowners seeking all-in-one security solutions, distinguishing itself from competitors by eliminating the need for separate doorbell cameras, smart locks, and security cameras while maintaining professional-grade features and sustainable solar charging capabilities.
At number 4, we have the Roku Smart Home Wireless Video Doorbell. This offers an affordable entry point into smart home security with impressive 1440p high-definition recording and ultra-wide view capturing that delivers crystal-clear footage day and night. The wireless version supports enhanced 1440p resolution while featuring motion and sound detection, two-way audio communication, and seamless integration with Alexa and Google Voice assistants. The included 90-day subscription provides cloud storage and advanced smart alerts, though the doorbell does not record footage locally at all, storing data solely in the cloud. Users expressed concern about ongoing subscription costs at $3.99 monthly after the trial period, and some experienced connectivity issues with picture quality, showing properly only 1 time out of 30 attempts. This product targets budget-conscious homeowners seeking basic smart doorbell functionality, particularly existing Roku ecosystem users. Its standout quality lies in excellent value proposition and direct integration with Roku streaming devices, though it lacks the advanced features and local storage options offered by premium competitors.
Coming in at number 3, the Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro. This delivers exceptional value with 1440 high-definition video recording and a unique 1:1 aspect ratio that provides head-to-toe, ultra-wide viewing angle coverage, extending from doorstep packages to distant street views. The device offers both wireless and wired installation options with 3M adhesive strips for tool-free mounting and includes a dual-band Wi-Fi extender chime for reliable connectivity. Key features include two-way audio communication, night vision capabilities, and motion detection without mandatory subscription fees for basic functionality. However, users frequently report severe battery life issues, with devices requiring charging every 3 days to 2 weeks instead of the advertised 3 to 6 month duration. This product targets budget-conscious homeowners seeking affordable smart security without ongoing subscription costs. Its standout quality lies in exceptional price-to-feature ratio and subscription-free basic operation, though reliability concerns regarding battery performance significantly impact its competitive position against more expensive but dependable alternatives.
Taking the number 2 spot, we have the Blink Video Doorbell. This stands out as an exceptionally affordable wireless security solution, offering 1080p high-definition video with infrared night vision and two-way audio communication, all powered by 2 AA batteries that Amazon claims last up to 2 years with default settings. The device provides a 150-degree head-to-toe field of view for comprehensive coverage and seamlessly integrates with Alexa for voice control and Chime app alerts. Installation requires
requires the included sync module for reliable connectivity and cloud storage functionality. However, users frequently encounter connectivity issues and motion detection problems related to poor Wi-Fi signals and network instability, while battery performance can degrade motion detection capabilities over time. This product targets budget-conscious homeowners seeking basic wireless doorbell functionality without subscription fees for local storage. Its standout quality lies in exceptional battery longevity and Amazon ecosystem integration, though reliability concerns regarding connectivity and motion detection accuracy may frustrate users expecting consistent professional-grade performance.
And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 pick, the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. This represents Ring's best battery-powered doorbell camera, with cutting-edge features like 3-dimensional motion detection with bird's-eye zones, delivering super-clear 1536p high-definition plus video with expanded head-to-toe field of view so you can see more of who's there. The device features enhanced Audio Plus technology for superior two-way communication with advanced noise cancellation, colored night vision, and sophisticated motion detection that creates overhead maps of visitor movements. Installation is wireless-friendly, with removable quick-release batteries for convenient charging. However, real-world testing shows battery drops 7% daily with average 10 events, requiring recharging every 2 weeks on regular motion settings. While the setup process is more confusing than it should be, battery life is worse than expected, and the device lacks modern Universal Serial Bus C charging technology. This product targets homeowners seeking premium video doorbell features without hardwiring requirements. Its standout qualities include industry-leading video resolution and sophisticated motion tracking capabilities, though mandatory subscription costs and frequent battery maintenance may deter budget-conscious consumers compared to competitors offering local storage options.